Welcome to the JSON module training in Work Agent Builder. In this session, we'll learn how to work with JSON data, from reading files to modifying and saving structured data, using a real-world example of a customer order system. JSON is a widely used format for storing and exchanging structured data across systems and APIs. Let's dive into building a complete workflow. For this tutorial, we will build a simple automating customer order management system to workflow. We start by reading a JSON file containing customer orders. The Read JSON file node loads structured data into the workflow so it can be processed further. Next, we add the deserialized JSON text node. Sometimes JSON data is received as plain text. This node converts JSON text into a structured JSON object, so it can be queried and manipulated inside the workflow. Connect the output from the Read JSON file node to this node. Now the workflow has a structured JSON dataset to work with. Now let's retrieve a specific record. Add the GetFirstJSON node by key node. This node finds the first JSON object that matches a given key and value. For example, if we want to find the first order status from the orders, we configure. The node returns the first matching order record from the dataset. Next, we extract specific data from the JSON. Using GetFirstJSON node by key, we retrieve the first matching order. For example, the first order with status pending. This helps us identify which orders need processing. Next, we will update order information. Add the Insert or Update JSON node by primary key node. This node checks whether a record with a specific primary key already exists. If it exists, the node updates the record. If it does not exist, it inserts a new record. We update order status from pending to processed. Now let's remove an order. Add the Delete JSON node by primary key node. This node deletes a JSON object based on a primary key value. After execution, the order ed is removed from the dataset. After modifying the JSON structure, we need to convert it back into JSON text. The serialized JSON token node performs this conversion. This prepares the data so it can be written to a file or sent to another system. Finally, we save the updated JSON data. Add the write text to JSON file node. Configure the destination file path. Connect the serialized JSON output to this node. Now the workflow saves the updated employee dataset as a new JSON file. Let's recap the complete workflow. We started by reading the JSON file, then converted the text into structured JSON data. Next, we searched the dataset using JSON keys. We updated order records, removed outdated data, and finally converted the dataset back to JSON text. The workflow then saved the updated data to a new file. In this video, we learned how to use the JSON nodes in Work to read, search, update, and write JSON data inside workflows. These nodes are essential when working with APIs, structured datasets, and data transformation pipelines.